Don Weed with Heartland Funding Inc. here on October 29th, 2020. www.heartlandbuyshouses.com is our website. Phone number is 1-800-255-8250. In Joliet, looking at a house here. This is an inherited house. Gonna put an offer on today, but we're gonna walk the house here and make a video. Hopefully it's not too dark in there where I can shoot this. We'll see. I might have to end up with still pictures today. Gonna need a roof, windows, siding, but that's no problem. That's what we do. Blustery day. Blustery day today. And next week it's supposed to be in the 60s. Small lot. Now we'll go inside. Hopefully we got enough light. What's with the car here? Can't get rid of that? Oh, that's what you're...
That one and the other truck's over there.
I thought you meant just the other ones.
I says it ain't, I don't know how to understand it. It's not registered in his name. They said, this is my lawyer told me that, oh, well, it's his junk, so you can't touch it. You gotta be joking.
Even though it's on your property.
Well, you know, he used to live here, and then when my parents lived here, he lived here with them, and then we moved over there with them. And, yeah, and that one I just put, just this year, I put new siding and a new roof on that one.
Definitely going to be too dark in the basement. We're not going to even go down there, but I've got to put a new service in. It needs a new furnace and a new central AC. That's how we get down the basement right there. Put a new bath in, which is expected, no biggie. If we got enough light in this bedroom here to see or not, but it's a tough one. Now upstairs. I think we got enough light up here. Maybe, maybe not. I suppose this could be made into two separate bedrooms up here, make it a 3-bedroom. By putting a little wall in here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don Weed signing off from Heartland Funding Inc.